Chapter 9. Forest and Forest People. Forest often suggests a dark place covered with lots of huge trees, small and big wild animals, all kinds of weird sounds, and tribal people with their weird customs. A visit to a forest can be the most fascinating experience for anyone. Plants of all kinds can be found here. Tall trees and woody plants dominate. Animals of different kinds, from small rodents to big carnivores, can also be spotted. Dependence on forest. Forests cover almost 1/3 of the world's land surface. They are a vast and widespread big natural resource for us. Since ancient times, they have been a constant source of livelihood for people. Early humans lived in forests. They hunted animals for food. They made clothes with leaves of trees and cut wood for fuel. Millions of people still live and depend on forests for their livelihood. They get food and firewood from forests. In some way or the other, we all depend on forests. Forest gives us an estimated 5,000 commercial products, such as timber for furniture, building houses, and making many other things. Other products include turpentine, medicines, flowers, rubber, paper, cotton fabrics, linen, and many other things. Adivasis Tiavan Bialis. Forests give shelter to a large population of tribes known as Adivasis. The Adivasi societies can be found in Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, the northeastern states, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They use leaves of banana, banyan and sell to make petals for serving food. Bamboos are used to make roofs and walls of huts, ropes, lamps, hats, boxes, cooking utensil, baskets, etc. They use mahua flowers for making liquor, and tendu leaves for rolling bidis. The Adivasis were deprived of their ownership rights for a long time. Government authorities declared this a historical injustice and intended to recompense it. In early 2008, a new Forest Rights Act granted the Adivasis the right to monitor, administer, and use the forest under collective ownership. This enabled them to obtain better prices for what grows in the forest. This is crucial for the Adivasis who live below the poverty line. Other benefits. Forests produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. They help in maintaining the balance in the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This, in turn, reduces global warming. Global warming is the increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere. They help in reducing soil erosion. They absorb tons of dust and other pollutants. They also absorb noise, thereby decreasing noise pollution. Forests regulate the temperature and cause rainfall. Forests offer a great biodiversity. It is home to a variety of plants and animals. Deforestation. Forests are disappearing at an alarming rate mainly due to human activities. Deforestation is converting forest land into agricultural land on a large scale. Trees are cut to make wooden furniture, paper products, and fuel for burning. Effects of deforestation. By destroying forests, we risk our own existence. Here are some effects of deforestation. Trees hold soil with their roots. If trees are gone, soil will be washed away, causing soil erosion. Occurrence of droughts and floods will increase. Carbon dioxide levels will increase when we cut down trees. This will lead to global warming. Conservation of forests. Conservation of forests is essential for the survival of mankind. From time to time, people's movements have helped in protecting forests. One such movement was Chipko movement. It was started in Uttarakhand in 1973 under the leadership of Sundarlal Bahuguna, Gaura Devi and Chandi Prasad Bhatt. The movement was called Chipko because in this movement, the villagers hugged the trees and saved them from felling. Sacred groves are forest patches traditionally protected or worshipped by communities in reverence of a deity. In the wake of increasing deforestation, these sacred groves help in conserving forests. The sacred groves are mostly found in the states of Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh. From time to time, people's movements help in protecting forests. Lately, the government and other organizations have started taking steps to conserve forests. Some of these are as follows. In India, the government has declared some forests as sanctuaries. Botanical gardens and parks are being set up. Planting of trees is called afforestation. Van Mahotsav is a festival of tree plantation started in 1950 by K.M. Munshi. It is celebrated in all parts of India between 1st July and 7th July. Indian government supplies tree saplings to encourage planting at various places. Van Mahotsav is celebrated every year to plant trees. Many national parks and bioreserves have been set up which play a crucial role in the conservation of several species of plants and animals. Strict laws have been enacted all over the world to prevent felling of trees in forest reserves. Mangroves have been planted that offer natural protection from soil erosion. Other important issues that we all need to take care are as follows. Forest fires destroy forests. Fires in a forest are generally caused due to carelessness like throwing of burning matchsticks, cigarette bits, etc. This has to be prevented. Create awareness among people to save the environment. Overgrazing should not be done at the same place in a forest. Infected trees should be cut to prevent other trees from getting infected. We should plant more trees and refrain from cutting them. Word bank. Sacred groves, forest patches traditionally protected or worshipped by communities in reverence of a deity. Chipko movement, a movement started in Uttarakhand in 1973 under the leadership of Sundarlal Bahuguna, Gaura Devi and Chandi Prasad Bhatt, in which villagers hugged the trees and saved them from felling. Van Mahotsav, a festival celebrated every year to plant trees. Bioreserve, an area preserving wildlife, landforms and waterways while providing appropriate public use and enjoyment of a natural environment. In a nutshell, forests provide us with a number of useful products like timber, paper, rubber, resins, gum, food, medicines, and many other things. Forests replenish oxygen in the environment and absorb carbon dioxide. Forests contribute to the water cycle by causing rainfall. Forests prevent soil erosion, drought, and enhance the quality of soil by adding humus to it. One of the major causes of disappearance of forests is deforestation.